Denny again with another exciting recipe from Karen and Denny's kitchen. You know, I've run out of brown sugar, and that doesn't really bother me at all because I'm not going to the store to get any more. In all honesty, I haven't bought brown sugar at the store in 5 or 6 years, at least that long. You need some sort of a stand mixer, no matter what brand it is. You just need some sort of a stand mixer. You can do it with a hand mixer, but you're going to stand there for a few minutes. So a stand mixer works great because you can literally walk away while it's being made. This is a rectangular 4 modular bake. It's made by Tupperware, and because it's rectangle, it's made to go from the front to the back of a standard cupboard shelf. Now some are longer obviously, but a standard shelf will go front and back. And then the number 4 is simply the height of the container. There's a clear window on the front, so when you open your cabinets or your pantry, you can look on the shelves and you can see what you're low on instead of having to open bags and boxes and things like that. So it's an airtight container. This will hold 10 pounds of flour, 10 pounds of sugar, anything like that. Not a problem. So I have several of these. I keep all kinds of things in them, but this one is plain white sugar, and it is an airtight container. But to make the brown sugar, we just simply need measuring cup, Tupperware measuring cups, okay? And we're simply going to take, I usually make 6 cups at a time, and you don't have to be exact, just close. So don't need to scoop it off a level or anything like that. There's 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? And of course you can make less. You can make 1 cup at a time if that's all the brown sugar you need. I have the airtight containers, so I usually make it up 6 cups at a time, because that way I can simply take and put it into a square 2. Remember I said the other one was a 4? Well, a 2 is half the height of the 4, so a 2 and a 2 make a 4. But this one's a square. It fits right on top of the rectangle, so they all work together. Also has a clear window. So I usually take my brown sugar after I make it and I put it in the square 4. And then I close it up, and I've got an airtight container, so that goes in the cabinet, and it will stay soft and fresh inside here for months, if not years, honestly. I've had brown sugar sit in one of these for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, and it's still just soft and shakeable and nothing wrong with it at all. This is simply molasses. The recipe on this is simply for every cup of white sugar, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of molasses. And again, it doesn't have to be exact. If you like your brown sugar a little darker, add a little more. If you like it a little lighter, add a little less. It's really just that simple. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a paddle on here that scrapes the side, so much the better. Mine finally wore out, so I've got to get another one of those. But you can use pretty much any of the blades on here or any of the paddles. You just turn it on, get it started, and literally at that point, just walk away for a few minutes. And we'll come back when this is done and we'll let you see it. Looks good. Okay. That is looking pretty good. Take a look at it here. Oh yeah, that's good mixed up. All right, I'll let you see it. Okay, and I don't know how close I can get that to the camera there. Very easy to make. And we will just simply put it in here. And like I said, it's an airtight container. And this will just about fill this up. There we go. All right, that about fills my container. So this is probably about 3 pounds, I would say, of brown sugar, about 3 pounds. Again, oh, and here, just take a look. That is the softest, moistest, freshest brown sugar you will ever have in your life. You can never get it fresher than this, okay? So put the cover on it. Open up the corner while pushing down to squeeze a little bit of air out. Now you've got an airtight seal, and that will keep for months and months. And it'll stay soft and fresh, and you can always see what's in your cabinet. So that's it for this video. Have a great day, and God bless.